Imagine if a simple food you already have in your kitchen could boost your brain power, protect your eyes, strengthen your muscles, and even make your hair shine. Sounds like a superfood ad, right? Well, the truth is, it's just 2 eggs a day. Hi, I'm Diet Guru, and today on this video we're breaking down the 13 powerful benefits of eating 2 eggs daily, plus how you can make them work for your health, whether you're a student, an athlete, or simply someone who wants to live stronger for longer. Stick around until the end, because benefit number 13 might literally save your vision. Benefit number 1, eggs as a superfood. Eggs are one of nature's most nutrient-dense foods. Think of them as a complete health package, affordable, accessible, and versatile. Compared to other local superfoods like morogo, African spinach, eggs pack more protein while still being cost-effective. Benefit number 2, rich in premium protein and amino acids. Each egg gives you about 6 grams of high-quality protein with all essential amino acids, the building blocks of life. For kids, it fuels growth. For athletes, it repairs muscles. For seniors, it slows age-related muscle loss. Tip: post-workout, scramble 2 eggs with spinach for the perfect recovery meal. Benefit number 3, packed with essential vitamins. Eggs provide vitamins A, B12, E, D, and K. In South Africa, deficiencies in vitamin D and B12 are common, especially in winter. 2 eggs a day can fill those gaps naturally. Benefit number 4, important minerals. Eggs are rich in phosphorus and selenium. Phosphorus strengthens your bones. Selenium boosts your immunity. Instead of pricey supplements, 2 eggs give you a natural daily dose. Benefit number 5, choline for brain health. Choline is a superstar for the brain, and eggs are one of the best sources. For pregnant women, it supports fetal brain development. For seniors, it sharpens memory and concentration. Most people don't get enough, but just 2 eggs supply about 50% of your daily needs. Benefit number 6, supports heart health. For decades, eggs were demonized for cholesterol. Science now shows dietary cholesterol isn't the enemy. It has little effect on blood cholesterol for most people. Instead, eggs can actually reduce your risk of heart disease thanks to antioxidants like lutein. Benefit number 7, boosts immune system. Eggs contain lutein and zeaxanthin, powerful antioxidants that lower oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. That means fewer colds, faster recovery, and a stronger immune defense. Benefit number 8, builds muscle mass. Thanks to leucine, eggs help trigger muscle synthesis. If you're hitting the gym or simply want to stay strong in your 60s, adding 2 eggs to breakfast can help maintain lean muscle. Benefit number 9, improves hair, nails, and skin. The nutrients in eggs, biotin, protein, vitamin E, support cellular repair. Beauty hack: some even use eggs in DIY hair masks, but honestly, eating them works wonders from the inside out. Benefit number 10, enhances memory and concentration. Eggs are low GI, providing steady energy without sugar spikes. Perfect for students before exams or professionals with long workdays. Benefit number 11, helps lower insulin and fat accumulation. By stabilizing energy, eggs prevent unnecessary fat storage. For diabetics or anyone on a low-carb diet, eggs are the ultimate ally. Benefit number 12, preserves blood sugar balance and reduces appetite. Ever had eggs for breakfast and noticed you don't crave snacks until lunch? That's because eggs keep you satiated and regulate blood sugar. Tip: replace sugary cereal with eggs. You'll eat less and feel better. Benefit number 13, improves eye health and prevents cataracts. This is the big one. Lutein and zeaxanthin in eggs protect your eyes from blue light damage and age-related cataracts. If you're on screens all day, or over 50, eggs could literally help preserve your vision. So there you have it. 13 science-backed reasons why 2 eggs a day can transform your health. Affordable, accessible, powerful. Which of these benefits surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to know. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Diet Guru, and check out our other videos for more nutrition secrets that could change your life. And remember, sometimes the simplest foods are the most powerful.